Enexir, the art of energizing life. Discover Energy Fitness, an evolutionary fitness program. Energy Fitness is all about awakening and empowering your life energies. We are not flesh, bones, and biochemical energy, but a unique form of living energy, and we never nurture and nourish them. The whole world is pursuing physical fitness through exercises, food, and supplements. Energy cultivation takes a backseat. As a result, we are not truly fit and cannot excel in life. We can cultivate energy fitness through three vital programs: breath tech, sleep tech, and brain tech. The techniques have been derived by amalgamating the wisdom of our awakened masters and modern scientific research. Enexir revives the wisdom and the potentials of our innate living energy to live an evolved life.
To know more about the Enexir program, connect with us on +9193249924041 by WhatsApp and receive the joining link for our free masterclass. Hurry, limited slots available.